Thailand is the perfect source of food production, and Thai food is very popular among foreigners. Besides the uniquely splendid taste of Thai food, it also manifests the punctualness, meticulousness, and the usefulness to health. At present, trend on the needs of global consumers in their good health. Therefore, food safety is a vital issue that cannot be negligible. In this regard, the control measures are necessarily required in every step of food production to ensure the standard and quality of food. For example, Thai processed pork, which is highly trustworthy product for both safety and hygienic aspects. Which, in this connection, Department of Livestock Development, or DLD, is the official government organization responsible for the control, inspection, and certifications of the whole production chain. From pig farms, animal feed mills, pig slaughterhouses, pork products processing plant to consumers' hand, where the productions of pork and pork products must comply with the GMP and HACCP system. Pig farm. Standard pig farms must be inspected and certified for good agricultural practice, or GAP, by the DLD. A pig farm must have good farm management system, strict biosecurity system, disinfection system for vehicles, people and things to be brought into the farm, systems for control and prevention of animal diseases, good animal welfare management, sufficient personnel to look after animals, and having veterinarian who has been trained and licensed by the DLD to supervise and take care of animal health. Animal feed and feed mills. Animal feed and feed mill must be registered with the DLD. Feed mill must be inspected and certified by the DLD for GMP and HACCP system. Samples of animal feed from feed mills and animal farms will be randomly collected by the DLD official. To test whether it complies with registered formula, the test will be conducted at the DLD laboratory to determine any adulteration, contamination, and nutritional value of animal feed. Transportation of animal feed shall be in closed trucks to prevent contamination. Before entering an animal farm, the feed transport trucks must be disinfected. Storing of animal feed at farm must be in a dry, clean place, which can prevent birds and pests. Only healthy pigs will be harvested for slaughter. The DLD official will examine the animal health and collect serum and urine to test for veterinary drug residue and beta-agonist substances, respectively. Results of animal health check will be recorded in the pig inspection report at farm, which will be accompanied with the pig transported to slaughterhouse and will be the information for the DLD veterinary meat inspector on site at slaughterhouse to perform ante and post-mortem inspection. Pig slaughterhouse. There is a high risk of contamination in pig slaughter process. Thus, a pig slaughterhouse manufacturing for export must be inspected and certified by the DLD for GMP and HACCP system. Pigs, upon arrival at the slaughterhouse, will firstly be placed in resting pens to reduce stress and caused by transportation. Then, the DLD veterinary meat inspector will conduct the ante-mortem inspection. Slaughter process must be in compliance with animal welfare principles. Pigs must be stunned before slaughter by using electrical stunning or carbon dioxide gas. After bleeding and dehiring, carcasses are then transferred to evisceration room. The DLD veterinary meat inspectors will conduct post-mortem inspection on pig carcasses and visceral organs to ensure of no harmful lesion and the meat is fit for human consumption. After carcasses are chilled to prevent growth of microorganisms, they will be cut and deboned. All production processes are inspected by the DLD veterinary meat inspectors on site to ensure that they comply with the hygienic requirements. Samples of pork are collected to test for veterinary drug residues and microbiology, and samples of fat are collected to test for pesticide residue. Pork products processing plant, which manufacturers for export must be inspected and certified by the DLD for GMP and HACCP system. Traceability must also be conducted in every process step to the source of the origin. The DLD meat inspector on site will inspect the production hygiene and collect pork product samples for laboratory tests. Heat-processed pork products must be heat-treated following the temperature and timing as required by the importing countries for boiling, steaming, or other means. Only the pork products that pass inspection and certification of the DLD can be exported. Once the goods are allowed for export, the DLD veterinary meat inspector will issue the health certificates accompanying the exported consignment for importing countries to permit the importation. It can be seen that the DLD has control and expected in every step throughout the production chain from the farm of origin to the guarantee of satisfaction on food quality and safety for consumption. Thai pork products are produced in accordance with international standards and are accepted by various countries. Both domestic and overseas consumers are confident in pork products of Thailand, which is in line with our slogan. Quality and safety is our top priority.